Yeah. Yeah. Linked asset. The next one is uh, queue, like a queue only, priority queue. Priority queue. Uh, Here only one dimensional means it is a one dimensional collection framework. It is only one dimensional collection collection framework.
Hello.
Yeah, hello, Vishal. Hello, Vishal.
Yeah, nothing. Carry on, Ram. Just I was testing my mic was not working. That's why.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Alright.
The one dimensional, it is a new collection framework object. New collection framework object. The new the collections are two types: new collection framework object and old collection framework or a legacy collection framework object. Right now I am discussing in new collection framework object. The new collection framework object are divided into two parts: one dimensional collection framework object and two dimensional collection framework object. Then first, right now I will discuss to one dimensional collection framework object. The one-dimensional collection framework object divided into three parts: list, set, queue. The list contains array list and linked list. The set contains hash set, tree set, linked hash set, and priority queue. Already yesterday I was discussed to array list. Yes or no, Narshin? Any doubts on anybody? Array list.
No.
Okay, now. Right now, today I will start the linked list. Then I will creating the. I will take one class linked list LL. The array list order is generated ascending order or descending order or random or insertion order only. Understand? Insertion
Yeah.
order. Insertion order. Yes or no, understand?
What is that?
The array list values are display the output in the form of random order or ascending order or descending order, only insertion order.
Yeah, it's ascending order and also in the descending order, not random.
Because it is a values. What are the attributes? Java. Java is the first element because it is instruction order. Harshin, what are the entries are available within the array list? The same entries are to print the values. Like it is only insertion order.
Yeah.
Okay now. Right now I will discussing to linked list. Linked list like a string L1 is equal to new linked list. Linked list is also interface. L1 dot yard. The array list is supported duplicate values. Narshin?
Yeah, array list support duplicate value.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Then right now I will take 3 elements. Then how to extend the collection framework object by using iterator. Iterator I1 is equal to L1 dot iterator. Then I don't have any specification here. It is an instruction order or not? Narshin?
Yeah, it is insertion order.
Instruction order. Okay. Then in case within the L1, it will support integer values.
It should not because it's a string.
Yes. Okay. Okay. It is a purely string or not?
It's purely string.
In case I am using like a for each loop, any problem like a string S1 is equal to L1. Is there any problem for each loop? Then I will comment this one. Okay now. In case it is not a non-generic collection framework, it is a generic collection framework. The generic collection framework object, it will be supported different input parameters. Yes or no, Praveen?
Yes.
Like L1 dot, I am added to 100, it is an integer value. Like right now, this object is supported to for each loop. That's it. Is supported.
I think it should.
That means the L1 contains like an integer and a string. But
Yeah.
what are the L1 contains? The total element is not stored within the S1 because the S1 only string format. But within the L1 contains one non-static, sorry, one integer values is available. Then is it possible to convert the? It is possible to convert the S1.
Yeah, because S1 is string, so I don't think it will take the integer.
At that time, compulsory you can using a iterator. Then at that time you can using iterator. It is a suitable for iterator. That's it. Is supported or not? In case here also I will filter the data here. What is the meaning of this one? Anybody?
So it seems that I1 is a string. I1,
Yeah, I1 is a string. It will not store the 100, yes or no?
yeah, it will not store.
Okay. That is nothing but a filter the data because don't specify if you want to only simple. That is nothing but a some logic operations within the linked list and RL list. Okay. Now. Then after, then here, and also it will be supported duplicate values. Then here, system.out.println. Okay. Here, L1 dot, yeah. Then I will specify to happy. It will be supported duplicate values. Machine. It will be supported duplicate values.
Yeah.
Okay. The array list is also supported duplicate values. And the array list is also perform insertion order, and the linked list is also perform insertion order. Like L1 dot add all method, element get method. If you want get method, like a get first. What is the first entry of L1? Ravi, what is the first entry?
Hello.
Hello, yes, it is the first entry. Like a L1 dot get last element is also happy.
Can you use this same method get first and get last for least that we used yesterday? Like was there those method available?
Yesterday I'm discussing this operation.
I don't remember whether we use get first, get last or no. You did, yeah, you did talk about many methods, but I don't remember this particular.
No,
Yeah,
he didn't talk about first and last. I mean, he talked, I mean, different thing, but it's similar. There is something related.
because both methods are both classes are different and both classes are separate maintain the different methods. That is the reason here it will give the get first and get last. The array list it will not generate the get first and get last problem.
Okay.
Like a L1 dot. Some methods are common like a add all method, clone like a equals method, get into means like a get hash code, is empty,
Okay.
peak method. What is the peak method means? What is the first element within the entry? Hello or not?
Mm-hmm.
See that what is the purpose of that method? See that reduce but does not remove the head of the first element in the list. What is the peak method means? Head of the element of this list is nothing but using peak method. Okay, na Harshim?
So head is the which one will be considered as a head?
H1. See that what is the
So
purpose
then
of this?
it's hello.
Yeah, hello. Yes, output.
Okay.
So
See
it's
that what
same
is the
as
purpose?
as get first, right? Because get
Yeah,
first
yeah.
also.
Get first. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Peak first. Peak first means like a same. First peak first. Like a peak as well as get first. L1 dot P. Peak last. And pool method. What is the pool method? Ravi?
It's like peak, but it actually removes the first element. Whatever.
Yes. Yes. The head of the element is removed. In case L1 dot I am not printed that value. What is the element is deleted? What element is deleted? Praveen?
Hello.
Hello, because it is a head of the element of this list is removed. You see that? Reduce and remove the head means first element of the list. That is the purpose of the pull method. Pull first. What is the meaning of pull first? First element is deleted. Okay now. Pull last means L1 dot pull last is deleted. Means last element means happy it will be deleted. Okay now. Next one. L1 dot push. The push method is available within the array list or not? Anybody? Is available or not? The push method is
Method?
not available
Which
in the array
method?
list. The push method is available in the linked list.
Yeah, it's full. Yeah, it's available.
Why the push method is available in the linked list? Why the push method is not available within the array list? I will discussing later. Okay, no problem. Leave it. Then I will push like a Java. Okay, don't print it because it is an instruction order. Return type is equal to void. Okay now. Next, okay. Then I will set it. First element is deleted or last element is deleted? See that? Comments. What is the output? Sorry, where is the Java? Sorry. Yeah. Right now, what is the output? Hello, happy, apple, and happy. That is the output. Then I am performing pop operation. First element is deleted. Okay now. First element means hello is deleted. Pop operation. Okay now. Last in, first out. L1 dot. Remove first to remove first to, that is the same. Set to, size also no. Okay now, get iterator, list iterator, sublist. Like a sublist. I want to 0 to 2 index. Only 0, 2 minus 0, 2 minus 0, 2. The index value starting with 0, 2 characters are printed. That is nothing but a hello dot happy. That is nothing but a subset method. Here, the array list both are array list and linked list both are same or not?
Ram,
Yeah,
could you go back to the program again?
yeah, okay.
Yeah, here you said the 0 and 2. So 0 is hello and 2 should not be apple.
No, 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0, 2 characters is printed. 0 onwards that 0 onwards it will be printed 2 characters.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Sir, both array list and linked list both are same or not, Narshin?
Yeah, almost same.
Same. Means what is the difference between, very important point. What is the difference between array list linked list is, the first point is a using array list no need of additional memory, and using linked list compulsory need for additional memory in double linked list. Linked lists are two types: single linked list and double linked list. In the single linked list, no need of additional memory. If in case we can implement the double linked list within the linked list operations, compulsory need for additional memory. Okay now. Next one is, see that. Then I will show it what is a linked list and double linked list. And what is the difference between array and array list? The array is a limited memory size. Array list is a unlimited memory size. Okay, unlimited means no need. We can insert the data. Then every time that data is, it will be stored in. It is a no need of additional memory. Then it is a single linked list. Only one memory and one variable. Okay, now it is a single linked list. Next, double linked list means 0, 20 and some value. It is also memory. It is also memory. This memory is representation to this memory. If we can insert any element, compulsory first to allocate the memory. If in case we can insert the element within the linked list, compulsory first to allocate a memory. Okay, na, in the double linked list. Then after, then we can assign the 30 value, for example, like this. Because here compulsory need for additional memory in the double linked list. In the array list, no need of additional memory. Okay, na. Second point is, array list is a very slow compared to linked list. Third point is array list, and using array list we can perform the operation. We can perform the operation only. You can perform the operation only list operations. Using array list, you can perform the operations only list operations. List operations, and using linked list. Using linked list, we can perform both list and queue operations. That is the difference between array list and linked list. Both are supported duplicate values. Both are supported duplicate values. Any doubts on linked list and array list? GPS. Any doubt? Praveen?
So you mean here like list means stack, or it's list? It's a different thing.
List operations like a single linked list, double linked list, only list operations. Like
Okay,
a stack is also list operations.
It doesn't mean stack, right? Because you said queue here, so I thought.
Yeah, yes. Stack means like a first in, first out. Sorry, last in, first out. Praveen,
Yeah.
the stack also it will be perform insertion order. Stack is also insertion order, but it is the old collection framework object. Then I will discussing the stack operations in the old collection framework object. Okay.
Okay, so what's the difference between list and queue? I'm a little confused here.
List and queue means the list it will be generated only how many entries, like for example like A, B, C, like A, B, C. What are the elements are available? A, B, C. We can print the data, the same value it will be printed. That is a list. Okay now. Stack means, Ravin,
Yes.
stack means last in, first out. Last entry, it will be related to first. It is a stack. But list means we can delete any location of that list, no problem.
Okay.
Okay now. Shagun? Shagun? Yes. Okay, thank you. And Narsin, any doubt?
No doubts.
Okay. Sumit?
No.
Thank you. Suresh?
Yeah, no doubts. Thank you.
Yes. Yes, any doubt? Okay. That's the complete information about the list operations. Right now, then I will start with the list operations. Okay now. Then I will create one more package. Select new package. Set. Like a class. Then first I will set TS means tree setup. Right now list tree set.
పంపించాను కాపీ వెంకట్
Okay. Tree set. String T1 is equal to okay. Then to extend the collection framework object using iterator. T1 dot iterator. I1 dot as next. Then I1 dot next. Okay now. Then I will print it. What is the, is it ascending order or descending order or random or insertion order?
Ascending.
Descending or ascending? Ascending order. Apple, Mahesh, Naresh, Suresh. No order.
Alphabetical.
I
Yeah.
think it's random.
What?
I think it's
Okay.
alphabetical order.
Because it is ascending order. Okay now. If in case
Okay.
It is
So is
ascending
it
order.
alphabetic?
Ascending order. Yes. Ascending order. Okay now. The tree set values are displayed in the form of ascending order. Okay now, note it. And also the set operations are, it will not support to duplicate values. For example, like then I will support a Naresh. It will not inserted to list. No, it will not supported because the set is not supported a duplicate values, but the list is a supported a duplicate values. Okay now, that is the first point. And the second point is that tree set values are displayed in the form of ascending order. Next point. Then I will discussing 2 points wise. Like a first method is T1 dot add method, like a first method. What is the first? First is apple or not? Okay. Next one is T1 dot floor method. Then I will specify to Mahesh. Okay now. What's the value? Mahesh. Okay now. Then in case, then I will explain what is the floor method. Like a 108 or 105. In case 104, 101. It is also 101, 104, 105, 108. It is ascending order. Okay now. Like the value is also ascending. Okay now. Here what is the floor method? What is the floor and what is the round method? Round method means like a 2.9. 2.9. If the 3 value is there, then it will be printed to round method means 3. If in case the 3 is not available, then it will be printed 2.9 fixed value. Okay now. Floor method is if to mention 2.9. If the 2.9 element is available, then it will be printed the 2.9 value. Otherwise, the 2.9 element is not available, then it will be printed to 2. Okay now. Here, then 2.4, the round method is printed to 2. But here, then to specify the 2.4, it will be printed to 2 value. Then 2.99999, it will be printed also 2 value. Equal or less than element. Round method is exactly value or less than or greater than. That is the difference between floor and round method. Here also, then in case I will specify to 109. The 109 element is available? No. Otherwise, it will be less than. What is the less than value? 108. In case, then I will specify to 8. Then it will be printed to because 108 element is available. Okay now. What is the floor? See that. The floor method is returns the greatest element in the list or the greatest element in the set list less than or equal to given element. Otherwise, null if there is no such element. That is the purpose of the floor method. The floor method means exactly value or less than value. It will not printed to greater than value. But the round value is printed to less than or round or exactly value. That is the difference between floor and round method.
But Ram, here is 108 is a string value, so it's not integer or floating. So still it will work as a integer or floating point.
GPS. 1 minute. Here y means if the 2.5 element is the over, then it will be printed to 2.5. If the 2.5 is not available, then it will be printed to 2 value. Okay now, means equal between. Okay. Okay, tell me, Narsi.
Yeah, I was saying that floor and round, I think is only works for the number system, like floating number, like decimal, and the integer number. But here you are using all the string. So do you think still it will work for the string?
It is also like a printed to ascending order or not, Narsi?
Yeah, I think the floor and round is meaningful for the number, right?
Yeah, if in case,
But here 108 is a string, so do still it will consider?
see that. Mahesh I am printed, Narsi. Okay, now. The Mahesh value is available, then it will be printed to Mahesh. In case, Hyderabad. What value is printed? Hyderabad before. Hyderabad less than. It is the apple or not? Alphabetical order. Before entry is the element, apple is there. That's it.
Yeah. So Hyderabad
That's
is not here. It is not here. Hyderabad is not here.
yeah. Where is the Hyderabad? HM. Sorry. GHIJKLM. It is a greater than. Minus is a greater than. But I
Yeah.
want to less than floor is a. Then less than it is equal to happen element.
Oh, okay.
Is it clear?
Yeah, it's here.
Okay. Next.
Ram, I have one question.
Yeah, tell me, Sumit.
Okay, in floor, either less than or equal to is printed.
Yes, yes.
But if there's nothing matching, if that nothing like that, then it will print null, right? So in what case it will print null? Because anyways there will be something always less than or equal to.
Always equal or less than in the floor method.
Yeah, but the floor method also, it was mentioned, there was something mentioned about null in floor method when we were checking the definition.
Yeah, okay.
Like if you have like in the Hyderabad, if you have some alphabetic order, if you have like more than one element, here you have just one. So if you have more than, then it will print more values.
No, it will be printed only less than. Only one element, nearest element, alphabetical order.
Oh, okay, okay.
Like in the definition it says that end or null if there is no such element.
Okay, if in case I am like a T1 dot clear. What is the value?
Null.
There is no any element.
Okay, if there is
Hyderabad
nothing,
is also not available in that list.
it means that if there is no list, then only it will print null, right?
If that list is means set is a empty, then value is available, then the value it will be printed. If the value is not available and also the within the set also not available the data, then it will be returned to null value.
Okay.
Is that clear, Sumit?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Suresh?
Yeah, Ram, no doubts. It's clear.
Next one. Like here I will specify to Naresh. Naresh highest element is a Suresh or not? Higher means greater than, not a equal. It on the list element is the set strictly greater than given element. Otherwise it will give the null value. Okay now. Here higher method means what are the value to specify within the higher method, then it will give the greater than value. If the greater than value is not available, like in case, then I will specify to Suresh. The greater than value is available? No. Then it will give the return type is equal to null. Okay, now next. T is empty. Right now T1 is the empty object, nursing.
No, T1 is not empty.
Because return type is equal to false. Lost. What is the lost? Lost is a Suresh. Lower you know. Pool first also you know. What is the pool first? First element it will be deleted. Pool first. Pool first, pool last. Remove. Size also you know. Two string. Descending set. Okay, now right now the values are display ascending or descending value, descending order. Sumit?
Ascending.
Ascending order. Deset means the values are written the descending means reverse, descending set. Okay, na Sumit?
Yeah.
Next. Next, edge set. Head set means like a Mahesh head set means it is a less than means greatest element head set. See that. Returns the view of portion the set who is the element 60 less than 2 element. Okay, now Mahesh. Mahesh less than element is the apple. Then it will be printed to apple. That is the head set method.
Okay.
Because these are the methods of tree set operations. Come to point of tree set means that tree set values are displayed in the form of ascending order. The tree set it will not support a duplicate values, and the tree set ascending order. And also, what is the difference between list and set? Very very important point is what is the difference between list and set. What is the difference between set and list? The list is support duplicate values, but set doesn't support duplicate values. Very very important point. What is the difference between set to list means the list is supported duplicate values and the set doesn't support duplicate values. Okay, na Sumit? Any doubt?
No doubt.
Okay, na. Rasheen, any doubt?
So in list, we support insertion, and in set, it is always ascending order.
No. That is a point. Means list set. I am discussing list set. I am not discussing array list and linked list and array list and tree set. I am discussing only list set.
Okay.
If the list contains like again array list and linked list, set contains like a hash set, tree set and linked hash set. But I am discussing just what is the difference between a list and a set. List is supported duplicate values, but set doesn't support a duplicate values.
Okay.
Okay. Next point is then I will discussing to last one is hash set. Hash set. Hash set h1 is equal to new because it is nothing like a not a descending order. It will be generated random way. For example, like a h1 dot add, then I will generate a 20 value semicolon. What is the order? It is a random way. Random way, not any insertion order, any ascending or descending order. In case like I will give apple, like I will give bad, happy, like a Java, CSC. See that? CSC, happy, apple, Java, bad. It is a different because it is nothing but like a the hash set values are displayed in the form of random. No order is generated. Okay now. Next, it is also the set means the hash set is also set. It will not support a duplicate values. Okay now. Like a next system dot out dot println h1 dot like a remove method is empty, remove all method size, get clear. Okay now. These are the same operations. These are the set operations. Any doubt? Machine.
No doubt.
The hash set values are displayed in the form of no order. It will give the random way. Sumit,
Yes. How can we check here, like what all methods are available?
like a sy system dot out dot println. Then to specify the h1 dot. These are the methods. Simply to specify the dot, automatically how many methods are available, the total methods are it will be generated.
Okay.
Okay now.
Yeah.
If in case if you want to methods of this one, go for internet. Java API. It's a very important. And you know what is the APIs? See that. What is my package name? Java dot. It will not hash set. It is a packages. Then first to select Java dot util. Then automatically it will be displayed here. My data name is a hash set. hash set. Okay, now. Then come to here. These are the methods on meter. Hash set, iterator, method detail, size, is empty, contains, add method, remove method, clear. These are the methods of hash set. Okay, na Sumit?
Okay.
Next, I am discussing to linked hash set. Linked hash set. Hello, my Suresh and okay, I want that hash set. Like I want dot next one. Okay, now. Hello, my S Suresh. It is an instruction order or no order or ascending or descending order. Sumit,
Your screen, I cannot, I haven't seen the, can you run it again, Ram? I wasn't, yeah, now I can see. It was stuck in the previous screen.
yeah. It is a order, any order, or it is a ascending order or descending order or insertion order, or it will be given any random. The insertion order or not, Sumit?
No,
What are the elements are inserted to within the linked list? The same entries are it will be printed.
yeah,
It is the insertion order.
yeah,
Insertion order.
yeah.
The hash set it will be displayed the random way. The tree set it will be displayed in the ascending order. The linked hash set values are it will be displayed in insertion order. Then I'll check the methods. L1 dot like a equals hash code is empty, remove size who get the class return the same methods. Okay now, Sumit.
Yeah, yeah.
Is the what is the difference between list and set? Already I'm discussing. Then tree set. The tree set values are displayed in the ascending order. The tree set it will not support a duplicate values. And also right now, set contains totally three interfaces. Set contains totally three interfaces. Hash set interface, tree set interface, and linked hash set interface. Okay now. The set operations it will not support a duplicate values. The list operations it will be supported duplicate values. And the hash set it will be display the values in the no order. And tree set it will be display the values in the ascending order. The linked hash set values are displayed in the insertion order. Okay now. Then last one is nothing but a priority queue. Last one is a queue operation. And select
Ram, hash set and link hash set, they will accept the duplicate value.
what Narshin?
I said that hash set and then link hash set, they will accept the duplicate value like set.
No. The set contains total how many interfaces? Three interfaces kada Narshin.
Yeah.
Three interfaces are not supported duplicate values.
Oh, okay.
The set is not supported a duplicate values. If the set is
Okay.
not supported, the set of the interface is also not supported.
Yeah.
Then Q. Then U. Sorry. Last. Naveen. Help it right one. Ilara. One change. Which order? It's like a ascending order or descending order? It is ascending order or descending order? Hello, Mahesh, Suresh and Naresh.
I think ascending.
Ascending order. Then what is the queue operations? What is the queue? First in, first out. First out. 1 minute, 1 minute. That's it, 1 minute. Next, sorry. Ascending order. Then what is the queue? Queue is nothing but a first in, first out. What is the first element is display hello. The first element hello, it will be deleted. Like a P1 dot pool or peak deleted element pool. First element here is hello or not? Automatically it will be deleted first pool method. Okay now. In case syst out dot println is equal to peak method, you know, head of the element. In case I will remove this method. Which element is deleted? Which element is deleted? Automatically.
Suresh, I think.
Surya, it is the insertion order. Once the insertion order is over, the queue is deleted in the ascending order. Okay now, ascending order. The ascending values are,
So, Suresh goes to the queue first, right? Because that's the first one. First in,
no,
first out.
after you can perform insertion order, the priority queue is generated the values in the form of ascending order. After the values insertion is a hello is the first. Yes, alphabetical orderly it will be generated value. Alphabetical orderly then it will be deleted the what are the first element, what is the second element. The output of element it will be deleted, not this one program of the element.
Oh, okay.
Okay now. Here hello, Mahesh, Naresh and Suresh. What is the first element is come? Hello. The first element remove the automatically without specification. The hello it will be deleted. Only queue is nothing but a first in first out. What is the stack? Stack is nothing but a last in first out. The remaining operations are same. That is the only priority queue operation. What is the purpose of the priority queue? Means first in first out. And one more, in the Gmail is working on stack or queue. Anybody? Gmail like a Praveen is there. Praveen like one mail address is there. Then I also send one mail address and another person is also send another mail address to Praveen. Okay now. What is the first Gmail is accept the Praveen Gmail. What are the first element? Who are the first element is sent to Praveen? The Praveen it will be goes to first element. Means like a, for example like a example one element and the second element. The two elements are forwarded to third element. Here what is the like a 1.2 AM it will be sent to this mail address. 2.4 it will be printed to PM. Sorry, it is also AM. Okay now. The first element is it will become to first element, after it will become to second element. Then I will go it. JMS Q. JMS Q. In case I will open Java tutorial, means I want the architecture of JMS. Java mail services or Java message services. See that. It is client, it will be sent like a client 3 and client 1 message. Okay now. It is like a timing dependency. Timing dependency means client 1 is sent to element to client 1 and client 2 is also sent to client 1. Like a depending upon time, then it will be receive the client 1. Means it is nothing but like a queue operation. First in, first out. JMS coding. Okay now. How to insert the like a element to how to forward the data to Gmail. That is the first element. If every Gmail and also RabbitMQ in Indian peoples are using JMS, Indian peoples are using JMS, and like other countries like American peoples are using RabbitMQ technology. RabbitMQ Q, it is also perform Q operations. Like here, architecture. Q operation. Q operation. Routers, if the consumer and it is a publisher. Okay now. See that. Images. You can directly change routing. Multiple routers it will be sending data. Images, image one. Q operation. Then if in case sended first one, then it will be receive the first queue. And these are the architectures. Okay now. Like there is a priority queue. Priority queue. First in, first out. And also the priority queue also not supported a duplicate values. Not supported. Suresh. Yeah, it will be supported. Suresh and Suresh. Because one mail address, using one mail address, then you can send the multiple data, multiple requests to another Gmail. Then is it possible? Like the queue, it will be supported duplicate values. Any doubt? Yes. Yes. Any doubt?
No doubt.
Suresh? Sumit?
No.
Jagan? Praveen?
No doubt.
Narsin?
Yeah, no doubts.
GPS?
No, thank you.
Thank you. That is nothing but today I'm finished the one-dimensional collection framework object. Then tomorrow I will finish the two-dimensional collection framework as well as old collection framework object. Then tomorrow I will finish the collection topic. Then day after tomorrow I will start with advanced Java. That is the JDBC. Okay, now JDBC it will be take most probably 3 or 4 days, most probably 4 to 5 days. Then servlets it will be take most probably up to 15 hours. 15 hours means most probably 1 week. The JSP it will be take 2 classes, 2 or 3 classes. Okay, that means around within February 8th to 10th. 10th, then I will finish the advanced Java technology. Okay, na Vishal?
Yes, Ram, that's okay.
Okay. Then tomorrow I will finish the collection topic, Vishal. Then day after tomorrow I will start with advanced Java, means JDBC. Before I will start with advanced Java. Then today night means IST time I will forward some softwares to in our mission in our Gmail.
Okay.
Vishal,
Yeah,
please
in my
forward
mail.
that.
Okay,
Please
in my
forward
mail.
that mail. Then that softwares to share the all students. Then right now my system how to installing the softwares. Then that is a very important. Right now I am using in the JDBC connections. I am using only JDBC means MySQL and Oracle Vishal.
Okay, 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 got it. So they
The
need to
two databases I
install.
will show you the connections and you do both.
Okay, so they need to install MySQL as well as Oracle, right?
Yeah,
Oracle.
Oracle. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. No
I
worries.
will forward that softwares to in our mail. There is no problem.
Yeah, yeah, no worries. And
Okay. Okay.
yeah. And I do want to ask in class that whosoever, I mean to say, has taken already the Java classes before, and they are done with an advanced concept, but just they are refreshing their knowledge, right? Then they should tell me, they should mail me up, right? So what we can do, we can start marketing for those people who are only for refreshing their knowledge. So is there anyone who is refreshing his knowledge, who already know the Java, but just for the brush up, he's learning the Java? Because we want some of the profile from you guys that we can market as a. Hello? Is there anyone who knows the Java from first?
Yeah, I know a little bit of Java.
No, no, it's like you should be done with an advanced concept. Praveen, I'm talking about entire Java. I mean to say, who has done entire Java before, and now he's just refreshing his knowledge. Is there anyone?
Yeah, I knew about this, stack queue. I
Yeah.
had taken one master level class in Java, but that's all I took.
Okay, so do you know the servlet and JDBC and everything?
No, not servlet, only this array or this kind of things, queue, hash,
Yeah,
tree,
because
map, only
because
these
we
things.
don't want you to stuck up while the client is getting giving you the questions regarding it, right? So is I mean to say, if at all you have done entire Java, then yeah, uh, Shagun, you know that, right? The servlet and GSP. Okay, fine. So Shagun, tomorrow I'm going to take your profile and put it in the marketing, right? Okay. So Praveen, wait for one more week. Thereafter, we will take your profile into marketing. All of
Okay.
you,
Okay.
all of yours, right? After a week or so, we're gonna to take all of your profile into marketing. So, but for instance, it's like we are going to take Shagun's profile, right? Because he's knowing. So we're gonna to put him in the market right now, right away, right? Sumit, do you have any profile? I mean, just have you learned? Ram, you can leave if you want. It's like it's just a general
Vishal,
discussion going on.
after your session is over, please call me Vishal, then I will talk to you.
Okay, okay then, Ram. Yeah. So yeah, Sumit, do
Thank you.
you have any kind of the knowledge? By Ram. Yeah.
No, this is the first time I'm learning Java. I haven't.
Okay, Venkat, do you have any knowledge?
Yeah, I've done, I mean, I've learned this Hibernate, Servlets, CSP, JDBC, ODBC.
Okay, so
I've
have you
just,
sent me your profile? I mean to say, have you fill up all the forms and everything? I mean to say that.
yeah, yeah, I
Okay,
did reply you through the mail when you
okay.
asked for the details, yeah.
Yep. And Segun, did you reply me with the mail filling up all the details? Segun, are you there with me? Okay. So no worries. I'm going to take over. I mean to say the profile of yours, and yeah, I'm going to put up into the market from tomorrow onwards, right? You will start getting the call in couple of the days from the vendor as well as the client, right?
Well, we'll also learn Hibernate and Spring, right?
Yeah, you will learn, but that too is like if you are ready, right? We don't want to waste even a week of yours, right?
Okay.
You start getting warm up with the calls,
Mhm.
okay? And other guys, we're gonna to market after a week, right? After a week, we're gonna to start their marketing. So Praveen, you would be having the marketing just after next week, we're gonna to put you in the market,
Okay.
okay? So yeah, everyone will be in a market. Don't
So
no
how
worries.
long does it take? After you put the resume in a market, normally how long does it
Normally,
take for
if
interview?
at all your skill sets are good, I mean to say, and you have your permit ready, right? Then there is no way that we can stop you. I mean to say, it's gonna to take 15 days, 20 days round about how you deal, how you take the vendor calls, and how you take the client calls, right? It all depends upon that. Sometimes the people are able to crack in on the first round only. So they, I mean to say, they get the job in within a 15 days or something like that. But some of them it takes a time because they are not habituated with the calls and everything, right? So it all depends upon the individual's capacity, right? We would be showering you with the interviews and the vendor calls, right? So yeah, it's all depends upon you that how you take that shower.
Okay.
Okay. So anyone having any kind of the question in the class, please let me know. Or all of you are okay.
But at the end of the class, you will provide the recordings, right, for the classes, so we can
Yeah,
practice.
yeah. Sumit, it's like once you are in a market, we will provide you because I mean to say the recordings are strictly available for the paid people, but that too is like you are in a marketing with us, then we will provide you, right? I will talk with Kaladi regarding that. I already talked with him, but maybe it's like due to the snowfall and everything the topic get fluid up, but that too is like again I will be reminding regarding it, right?
Okay.
Okay. So everyone bye for now, and we're gonna meet by tomorrow same time 7:30 Eastern time, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay then. Bye.
Yeah.